Hello everyone. Today I am going to be talking about how to comment to the teacher in a Google Classroom. So right now we are on a class and this is just a sample class. And you'll notice on the stream that there is a way to share things with your class. We're asking that the students don't really do this unless the teacher has asked something of them to share. But when they click on an assignment, there is a place for them to leave comments about that assignment. And then there is a place for private comments. And these comments are not shared with the other students in the class. So it's a good way for them to talk back and forth with their teacher without having to have email. So we are recommending that students utilize that feature, the private comments there. When they submit something, the teacher will receive an email that they have submitted a comment. So the teacher will get it in her email. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to email myself or Mrs. Neal, and I hope you have a great day.